Ever wonder why most people work hard for years but never really get rich, while others with the same salary build wealth and live life on their own terms? Many people work diligently, yet they're stuck in a cycle of earning and spending, with their bank balance never really growing. Here's the surprising truth. Two people with identical salaries can end up in completely different financial situations based on how they manage their money. So what are the three main reasons people fail at money? The biggest culprit is financial ignorance, which leads to poor spending habits, zero savings, and constant monthly struggles. We spend years learning trigonometry and geography, but schools rarely teach us how to save or invest our money. Every month, the salary arrives, spending begins, the month ends, and you're broke again. It's a vicious cycle. Financial ignorance costs more than any luxury you buy. The second reason is lifestyle inflation. When income increases, it immediately gets spent on a new phone, new clothes, and a new car. Rich people buy assets, while poor people buy liabilities. That's the fundamental difference. If your lifestyle grows faster than your income, you'll stay trapped in the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle forever. The third problem is having no financial plan at all. Managing money without a plan is like driving to Mumbai without a map. You'll end up somewhere, but not where you want to be. Without a plan, you have no budget, no goals, and no direction. So even if you earn well, you go nowhere. Now let's talk about how you can actually win with money using 3 simple steps. The strategy is straightforward. Earn smart, save smart, and spend smart. Earning smart means building multiple income sources through side hustles, skills, and creativity. Don't depend on your salary alone. Saving smart means investing at least 20% of your income every month through SIPs, index funds, and an emergency fund. Spending smart means controlling your lifestyle, prioritizing needs over wants, and learning to delay gratification. The earlier you start, the faster you grow. Time is your greatest advantage. Compounding is pure magic. Building wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits. When you control your money, you control your life. I will become the master of my money. Money Mastery is your pathway to financial freedom. Be the master of your money and subscribe for more financial wisdom.